Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the most fundamental principles of design you should know if you want to become a UI designer or a visual designer. Let's get into the video now. What are these principles actually called? They are called as CRAP. Yes, you heard me right. CRAP stands for contrast, repetition, alignment, and proximity. Contrast. What is contrast? Contrast is the most important visual techniques that makes different things look differently. Contrast helps in organizing your design, providing visual hierarchy. It also emphasizes on the focal point and also brings in visual interest to your page, your design. So when you quickly look into this page, you find there is no contrast in it. Everything looks similar other than the button. But now we are going to add in contrast to the font, to the copy, to the image over here, to the nav bar, and for the buttons as well. So to start with, I'm going to make this heading look bigger. Okay. There is no set formula for that. Just make it bigger to look good. Bigger. So now I'm adding line space to it. And this page talks about plants, right? So we are going to add visual interest to the copy called plant, and also we are going to make it bold. Also we'll be making the copy happiness same color of the plant so that they both now relate together. So plants, happiness. Sounds good, right? I'm also making it bold. The button looks good, but you know the copy, the text in the button is in black right now. So black moreover blends with the green at the back. So we are going to now add more contrast to it by making it white. And it looks now visually better. And also I'm going to make this secondary button as a stroke, as a lined button to bring in more visual hierarchy to it. Now the page is looking much better. We are also going to add visual interest to it by making the image enlarged, and also the nav bar, by the way. We are going to change the color of it to indicate that this page is being selected now. The color will bring it down a bit. Also we are going to make it bold. So now you can see applying applying contrast in few areas, making the design look much better than how it was before. Number 2, repetition. It is basically a concept of reusing visual elements throughout your design. Repetition creates consistency. It also increases users' understanding of your design by reducing the confusion in it. If you quickly look into the page we are designing right now, you would notice that there is no proper repetition in it. The designs are not consistent. The cards are looking totally different from each other. We are going to make it look consistent, and you will notice that once after doing it, it's going to look remarkably better. So I'm going to follow this card's design, and I'm going to replicate that style to the other two cards as well. Let me move it down a bit so that I could design this first. This card first. Move it up. And if you notice that the copy in it is left aligned, and whereas the copy in it is right aligned, center aligned, I'm going to make it left aligned as well. And also the title here is bold and here it is regular. I'm going to make that one bold as well. And also if you clearly notice that the pricing here is around 22, but here it is around 16. I'm going to do that too. Okay. Going to align it now. Not getting into the alignment right now. We'll be talking about it in the next topic. Right now I'm focusing on making it look alike. We'll come to alignment later. The next topic we are going to see about alignment, and we'll figure out how to align these things to look even more better than how it is now. So yeah, I'm going to left align this as well. I'm going to make it bold. Also increase the font size by 6 pixels. Not aligning perfectly, but to a minimum level. I'm going to visually make it look better. Now it's looking much better. Hope you could see that, right? The changes we have made right now, or minimum changes we made to the design, making it understand easily, and also it's kind of reduce the confusion the user will get by making these kind of small changes to it. By adding repetition to the designs we make, brings in reduces the confusion. It also increases the consistency loop, and also the user will easily understand your application or the design. Number 3, alignment. You cannot place elements in a random way in a layout. Things need to be aligned properly. Only then it organizes different elements in a page, and also it creates some kind of rhythm to your design, and moreover it helps you to make your design look clean, clear, and also sophisticated. So let's quickly get into the page you are designing right now. You could able to see things are not aligned properly here. The buttons are misaligned, the text, the copy or the pricing in it is not aligned properly, there is no proper spacing in between. The structure is not that good, right? We are going to align it properly. So we are going to click everything, and we are going to make it left aligned, and also we are going to bring it to clear here. And in this we are going to align this to the copy. Same here too as well. You could see by making small alignment fixes, it makes your design look simply better. And yes, we are going to distribute it evenly. And yeah, align this as well. To the bottom of it. And also we are going to evenly distribute the navigation part. I'm going to move it up. We're going to bring this down a bit. We're going to align the logo to the navigation. It is now looking much better than how it was before, right? Yes. This. Somehow find a way to align this to this. Yep, done. So aligning things brings in essence of organization and structure to your layout. Number 4 and the last topic for the day is proximity. It's nothing but grouping similar things together. It actually brings in a visual cue to the user to make them understand your design much better. It also helps in organizing information and also reduces the clutters in it. So let's quickly jump into the design and see the visual elements are not grouped together. They are looking like they are distant relation to each other. So now we are going to start from the top to bottom. We are going to align this and bring them close. We're going to bring them close to each other so that they are now visually tied up. So we are going to reduce it. So now they are of a similar group. To bring even more closer, we are going to distribute it evenly. We are going to move this out. So now they are now belong to the same together. Also, the headline over here and the body copy are belong together, but not the button and the secondary button. We are going to bring that up. Making them belong to a single family, and also the cards below. We're going to bring them up as well, and we are going to create a different colored footer so that the footer is now grouped together. Now we have applied all 4 design principles into this design. So the web page layout looks far more better than how it was designed previously, just because we applied the 4 principles of design: contrast, repetition, alignment, and proximity. Those are the 4 most important fundamentals of design you should know if you want to become a UI designer or a visual designer. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any doubts, do let me know in the comments, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon for sure. Only then the efforts I put in will reach you. See you in other videos soon. Bye bye. Happy creating.